Hello, my name is Ioni, and in this tutorial I will show you how to export layers as PSD files in Photoshop. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more graphic design tutorials. Now let's begin, and you'll see in the layers panel, let's hide this first image. We have 3 layers with 3 images, and I want to export these layers as PSD files, as individual PSD files. So for that, go to File and click on Export and Layers to Files. And in this window, choose this PSD, and I want to click on this visible layers only to export only these visible layers. If you don't have the hide layers, you can just leave this unchecked. Okay, now click on browse, choose the folder where you want to export. Okay, and now click on run. Okay, these layers are exported. Well, let's see, and this is the folder where I select to export these PSD files, and now you'll see this layer has an individual PSD files. So the first layer, if you open, you'll see is the first image, and the second layer has the second image, and so on. Now this was the tutorial for how to export layers as PSD files in Photoshop. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.